Give me one concrete way in which you, if you could wave your wand, would fix the system. One way.
And we have 365 exonerations at the Innocence Project, all by DNA. At least 25% involve false confessions.
Okay.
Jurors do not believe, most people do not believe that you would confess to a murder if you had nothing to do with it. That sounds fine.
So these are people who confess to a crime they didn't commit for whatever the reason. They feel pressured.
Oh, pressure. How about 15 hours of brutal police interrogation?
Right,
okay.
right.
And so they finally break down. You can break people. I mean, it's not that difficult to break people under pressure with the constant threat of incarceration, death penalty.
Come after your family.
Think about Texas. In Texas, you know, the death penalty is pretty efficient. If you're investigating a murder suspect in Texas, you'll say, okay, you know, the cops, hey, we'll take care of you. We'll get you on death row. We know how to do it. That's powerful, okay? So this interrogation goes on for 10, 12, throughout the night.
Yep.
And so then when the guy's broken, and says, okay, I had a defendant, an innocent guy one time tell me, he said, I would have confessed to killing my mother to get out of that room.
Right.
I was so beat down.
Right.
Then when you're beat down, broken, whatever, they turn on the video camera for the last 15 minutes.
And you confess.
And you confess.
And the juries don't believe that that may have been the predicate.
You asked me how to fix it?
Yeah.
Turn the camera on initially.
Have them see the whole thing.
Yeah. Right. And if you do that, it cuts out a lot of the BS, a lot of the tactics, and some cities,
because they know they're on tape.
And some jurisdictions are saying, okay, we're gonna video all the interrogations.
Right.
It makes the police play by a different set of rules.
Maybe we should have body cameras in interrogation rooms.
Well, the cameras are there.
Right.
The cameras
They just don't turn them on.
Don't turn them on.
Right. Yeah. Okay, that's a good fix.
Jailhouse snitches.
Yeah.
A huge problem. And,
right.
Okay. In most civilized countries, if you're going to put a snitch on the stand, or jailhouse informant, not a snitch, it takes a special hearing before the judge, who is super suspicious to begin with.
Right.
So you bring the guy in, and he's going to grill him on his record, how many times he's testified before as an informant. It's probably several. What deals they have given him. It's a very harsh interrogation because the judge is suspicious. That cuts down on a lot of jailhouse snitch testimony.
Sure.
The prosecutors say, well, let's don't do that.
Too much trouble to go through.
But we could pass that law.
Correct.
So
that's two good ones.